The only thing that you need to do, and the only thing that you should do, the only thing that you can do to make this place a better place in the future for the next generation is to make you a better person in the present. Knowingly, unknowingly, every human being is mentally confused, emotionally abused and misused. I've seen people, floating around this word, after all, we are human being. No, you can't say after all, we are human being. After all, you are a human being. My hip size is not okay. I have got pimples, Guruji. I am not getting a best boy to get married because my kundali is not okay. My astrology is not okay. Drop everything, whatever it is. You are divine. You are divine. You believe it or not, you are divine. See, look at the world. Everybody keep complaining, Guruji, this is not a nice world. The next generation is going to suffer. The present generation is not enjoying what we have enjoyed in the past. Let's stop this immediately. If you really think that the present generation is not enjoying the life that we want them to enjoy, then what is it we can do from our side? Let us do that. Look what has happened to our own self. Being a human, we have incredible intelligence, which cannot be explained in words. You can time and, create anything you want, whichever field you take, right from the space, technology, landing in other planet, everything is happening with precise time. But with all this ability, we have started saying we are not able to live with peace. I can start giving a lot of gyans about, Vedas, Upanishad, Bible, Quran, and you keep listening to it all the time. But will you really get a change? If you really want the change, then these are the things you need to understand. We need to make sure we do something which is under our control. Let us not even do something which is not under our control. Let us start doing things which is directly under our control. Very simple. If I want to make this place a better place in the future for the next generation, what is that I'm supposed to do? The only thing that you need to do, and the only thing that you should do, the only thing that you can do to make this place a better place in the future for the next generation is to make you a better person in the present. No other big thing. If you start doing this, rest everything will automatically happen. It is like a seed in the soil. It will become a sapling, then it will grow. Then you feeding with the nutrients to the sapling is the second step. But you should make sure that the seed is planted in the soil. That's the first thing. So if you want to make this place a better place in the future or in the present for the next generation, this is the only thing that you're supposed to do. How to do that? Let me make it very simple and doable. Let's see it as a game and start playing this life. In the present world of technologies, is like, share, follow has been a great thing. But to do all this or to get something for you as an intimation or as a notification, they will keep insisting you subscribe. Let us see. First, subscribe for success. But how do you subscribe for success? First, have a vision and follow your vision. You keep following so many things. By the time you follow your vision, you are automatically subscribed to success, which means the positive change that you want to see in the present and for the future, for you and for the next generation. Nothing much. Then like your own self. You are better in liking others' biryani or others' life or others' achievement. Super. I am not stopping it. Keep doing it. But if you really want to subscribe to success or for the positive changes you want to see in the future, this is the first thing that you need to do in the present. I can keep giving a beautiful Vedic explanation about Shreyas and Prayas. Choose the right one in the present to achieve the great future in the future. The only way to see the change in the future is to make the change in the present. All this I can give you. But let us understand a very simple way, in a doable way. Subscribe for success, then automatically you'll receive success. But how to subscribe for success? 3 simple steps. First, follow your vision. To follow your vision, you need to have a vision on the first place. Are you able to connect with me? Such a simple thing. And now, once you hold on to a vision, now like yourself. Many people is good in, creating a vision. They don't follow it. You know why they don't follow it? Because they don't like themselves. You know why they don't like themselves? Because they think they are powerless. No, you're not powerless. You can never be powerless. The present world is making you to think you're powerless because this is the fact. You're mentally confused or totally influenced by external opinion and perception and assumption, but not with solution. No matter how big and better perception that they deliver it to you or explain it to you, still it is a perception, it's not a solution. But the real solution is to hold on to the vision and follow the vision, not following someone's vision. You will not be able to follow the vision because you don't like yourself. You're good in liking everyone. So like yourself first. You are the only power which has got the power to bring the changes for you in your life and to be the source of success in others' life. If you fail to do that, even if you don't subscribe to success, success will unsubscribe you. You have no choice. Then whatever you do, you will put more effort, you will put all the energy, but you will not get the result you want. Because in present situation, knowingly, unknowingly, every human being is mentally confused, emotionally abused and misused, directly or indirectly. What is the first one? Mentally confused, emotionally misused and abused, and physically overused. Look what kind of an entire generation is coming in the same aspect. If this is going to continue, we can't expect the life that we wanted to live or we deserve to live. Forget about we wanted to live. As a human being, you deserve a best life. I've seen people, floating around this word, after all, we are human being. No, you can't say after all, we are human being. After all, you are a human being. Now the nature, the God power will share everything that is required for you to grow in life. I'm not even saying don't give up. Never give up. Even if you quit, God will not allow you to quit. Because once you follow these 3 simple steps, I have decided to subscribe for success. I have created a vision and I have decided to follow my vision. To follow my vision, the first thing I do is I start liking my own self. I'm best in liking everyone. My hip size is not okay. I have got pimples, Guruji. I'm not getting a best boy to get married because my Kundali is not okay. My astrology is not okay. Drop everything, whatever it is. You are divine. You are divine. You believe it or not, you are divine. Any effort you take in creating the external changes without creating it within yourself before start doing it externally, you will not land up in success. If you really want to bring the external change, it has to be first seen internally. I'm not telling you to follow the vision and action. Before get in action, see it in your mind sight. Because the brain reacts to mind sight, not to the eyesight. You will be able to see it happily without the doubt, without the self-denial, without the self-withdrawal, only when you like yourself. You may not have all the power in the world, but you have the power to connect with the all power all the time, in all the places. And once you realize this, you start liking yourself. The world will share everything that is required for you on the right time, on the required time. Please start doing it. I'm personally keeping it as a request. I'm personally keeping it as what? A request to every fellow human being who's seeing this. You are the change for the future when you decide to change your own self, not anyone else. Every small changes that you do in the present is a great changes that you're doing for the future, for the next generation. Nothing much you need to do. If you're watching this with all the pride, let me tell you one secret. The global peace, everybody keeps talking about it. The global peace is not for the mountain. It's not for the lion, not for the tiger. It's for human being. It's for our, species. That's the reason I say when it's come for human being, throw out all the religion, discrimination, all the nonsense. Start telling this word. We are one human family. As Atman, there is no discrimination from God. So any change that you do for yourself to make your life better, you're actually making the change for the future, to create a better future for the next generation. That is a fact. The decisions you take on your health, the decisions you do to keep yourself happy, the decision the action you're involving to enhance your skill, everything is done to you and also through you for the next generation, for the future. So if you're understanding this with all the pride, I will salute you. I will respect you for what you're doing. Because the global peace is never a possibility without achieving the inner peace. And the inner peace is never the possibility without achieving the individual peace. So that's my simple statement. Any changes you do in the present is the changes that you're doing for the future. Tell it to yourself. When I decide to create right changes in the present, I'm contributing for a great change for the future for my next generation. So again, I will reinsist. You are not just a human being anymore. You are a resource of global peace, because global peace is never a possibility without achieving the inner peace. So I want you to understand this simple step. Subscribe for success. For that, create a vision and follow your vision. You'll be able to follow your vision only when you like your own self. Now, when you like your own self, the entire world will share. That is required for you to achieve what you have started. Because this God will never give up on you. When you have a clear vision and when you have decided to follow your vision and you have started liking it, when you like yourself, it is not selfishness. That is the respect to the God. Because you're liking what God has given to you. The only thing that God has given to you is yourself and your life. Rest, everything is common for everyone. Believe me. The sun is rising for everyone. If you don't believe, see it tomorrow. The moon is seen by everyone. The planet Earth does not change the speed of rotation for everyone. Everything remains same for everyone. But you and your life is the only special thing that is gifted to you by God. So when you like that, the entire world will like you. There is an invisible, intangible power which is always ready to serve you. You will not understand that, but start doing this. You are God in human form if you start doing this. And you tell yourself personally, when I take self-effort every day to create the best experience as my next experience in this life, you have no other choice. The next experience has to be the best experience from now and forever. From now and forever. Aham Brahmasmi.